Now we come to the important tips that you need to know about travel insurance, and they may save you a lot of trouble and money if you remember them. Number 1. When signing up for travel insurance, you will be asked to put in start date and end date of the journey. Travel insurance usually covers from the time you step out of your house to the airport to any number of overseas destinations and back to the doorstep of your house. Hence, the date of the last day of the journey is not necessarily the date of the return air ticket. Here's the reason why. You may have boarded the plane on the date but arrived home on the next day, or the return journey spanned more than a day, especially those with layovers. Or if you are crossing the international deadline from the east to the west, it's possible that you will lose another day in the process. Number 2, make allowance for the travel duration. You will not be able to extend the coverage while you're on the trip. So if you think there might be a possibility that you will extend your stay, it is better to make allowance for that at the time of signing up. This is especially likely if you're on a DIY vacation or on a business leisure trip to explore new market or visiting trade expos. The best solution in this, of course, is to get an annual travel insurance plan. An annual travel insurance plan saves you the hassle of getting a policy each time you want to travel and can avoid the risk of not being covered if you wish to extend your stay. Number 3, include sports option benefit when signing up. The same goes with sports option. You will need to include it at the point of signing up. You can't add it during the trip. Personally, I will add on the sports option if I'm traveling to places where these sports are the main attraction. Number 4, refer to the claims requirement immediately. Do you know that to make theft, robbery and accident claims, you need to support them with a police report from the local police station? Sometimes it can be quite a challenge to get a police report, as it can disrupt the original travel plan. In some places, the police officer may not even understand English at all. Insurance company may need an official translation of the police report if it's not in English. Same goes with medical expenses claim. You will need a medical report from the attending doctor. So it is important to refer to insurance policy or check with the insurer if you need to get any extra report or documents before you move to another place. Sometimes it is not practical or costly to go back to the place to get those reports. Number 5, airline confirmation. Any insurance claims involving airline will require confirmation from the airline. Airlines usually send out email notification regarding flight delays, luggage delays, travel overbook or flight cancellation to their customer. If you have not received such notification, you will have to follow up with the airline, as you will need them to substantiate your insurance claim. Number 6, emergency hotline and policy reference number. Not being able to find the emergency hotline number and policy reference number, though it may sound silly, but it can happen. Once you obtain the travel insurance, save a copy of the policy and the emergency hotline number in your phone. Personally, I will post it in my family WhatsApp group so that they know. I will also print out a hard copy to bring along just in case technology fails. Number 7, maintain a proper record. This is one of the most important tips, if not the most important, which is to keep all documents such as copies of passport, travel insurance policy, boarding passes, purchase invoices and ticket in digital copies as well as hard copy. Personally, I will create a WhatsApp group for the trip and post all the pictures of the documents there. All the hard copies will be kept in a document pouch placed in my hand carry bag. This is because any travel insurance claim, you will need to be able to find these documents to substantiate the claim. So here are the 7 important tips that I've just shared. Number 1, travel dates. Number 2, make allowance for the travel duration. Number 3, include sports option when signing up. Number 4, refer to claim requirement immediately. Number 5, airline confirmation. Number 6, emergency hotline and policy reference number. And number 7, maintain a proper record. Hi, I'm Hanson Lai. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions on topics to cover in my future videos, please leave a comment below. If you find the information given in this video useful, please share with others so they can benefit from it too. See you again and bon voyage!